Hey everyone, today is day 1 starting the Pruvit Exogenous Ketones. I have the supercharged one today. This one's supposed to taste like pina colada. I'm really excited to try this. I went to an event last night and learned all about it. And it's supposed to clear up your brain fog and give you mental clarity and energy. And you don't even have to be following a ketosis diet, but I am going to be following a ketosis diet. So I'm excited. I got the 10-day pack, and I'm going to do my best to record and update every day what the flavors are like. I only have 3 flavors, so I'm not going to give you that much info on that, but I'll do my best. Any side effects I feel or things like that. So I mixed it with ice and water, and you can take it with or without food. It tastes like a pina colada. It's not perfect, it's not, but it doesn't taste bad. And so yeah, I'm gonna try that. I've been told you might feel it the first day, you might feel it the third day, it might take you 10 days. So hopefully this doesn't take me 10 full days. But yeah, so I'm really excited to give it a shot, and we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Good morning. We are on day 2 of Exogenous Ketones by Pruvit. I'm still drinking the blue one. I don't have heavy whipping cream at home yet. It's on my click list order tonight. So I'm going to try the chocolate tomorrow with that. And I have the creamsicle as well. So I'm excited to try those versions. I mixed today's with a little bit of coconut seltzer water, and it gives it a little bit of a fizz, which I enjoy. As for any symptoms or anything that happened yesterday, I didn't experience anything bad. I didn't have any stomach cramping or diarrhea or anything like that. I did notice a little bit more mental clarity, just a little bit. I felt like I was more present in my brain. And the biggest thing I noticed was I didn't get home and just want to crash on the couch. Oftentimes, even though I don't have a strenuous job or anything, I just get home and I'm tired and I want to lay down on the couch and not do anything. I'll just watch movies with my kids. So last night I didn't feel like that. I felt like I could keep going. I felt like I was able to do some chores around the house and get that done, and I didn't feel tired. I didn't have any trouble sleeping last night either. Actually, I probably got better sleep last night than I've gotten the 2 nights before, but I also took a melatonin last night, so that's probably the reason I got better sleep. As you could tell, I'm still sick, so that could be a reason I'm not sleeping very well as well. I'm also doing the ketone diet, and so far that's going well. This morning we had eggs and bacon, and for lunch I'll probably have a salad. So that's my update for now. I don't have any crazy thing to say oh my god, it was the best thing in my life, but they say it could take 2 or 3 days for your body to totally adjust. And yeah, so I will check in again tomorrow. Good morning. We're on day 4. I did Orange Dream today. I mixed it with some ice, some water, and a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and then I blended it. It does taste like a creamsicle. I am not experiencing any bad side effects. I feel a little bit more energized than normal. And last night I was able to paint part of my bathroom when normally I just want to crash on the couch. So I'm feeling benefits that way. I haven't seen any scale benefits, but I'm only on day 3 of keto. So anyways, cheers. It is day 5, and I have mixed the chocolate OS with water, ice, and a tablespoon of heavy cream. So I'm going to blend it and see how it goes. Things are still going well. No stomach issues. More energy, of course. So still going strong. And that's my dog over there, Lex. So here we go. Good morning. We're on day 7. I've got Orange Dream again. I've been pretty happy with my results. I've noticed pain is what I wanted to mention yesterday. I've noticed a lot less pain, so I'm really excited about that, the lack of inflammation. So yeah, alright, a couple more days. This is day 9 of the 10-day challenge pack. I missed day 8 because we were on a vacation and I drank it on our way down. I haven't noticed anything more than I've always talked about. I don't notice an decrease in my weight, but I haven't weighed myself because I don't weigh myself weekly, because then I become obsessive about it. Mental clarity, it's not life-changing, but it's a little bit better. I had a little bit of GI stress, which is expected. That's that's about it. Inflammation is down a lot, which is great. When I drink this, I notice I don't have as much pain, which is incredible. So we'll see. Last day tomorrow and I'll weigh. Hey everyone, I just needed to come on here and tell you my final thoughts. I didn't end up finishing day 10 of Pruvit. It really wasn't my thing. I really wanted it to do something crazy, and other than the inflammation being decreased, I didn't notice anything else that was crazy. The price is a little high for me, especially because we're doing the Dave Ramsey budget thing, and so it just wasn't for us at the time. I'm not saying that it's not beneficial, and especially when you're first into keto, it really does. I never got the keto flu. I would get a headache every now and then, but that's probably from decreased sodium. So I just wanted to come on and say that. I did try Perfect Keto as well, which is this one. Same thing. This one I didn't notice much decrease in inflammation as I did with the other one. But they both help you get through that keto flu. I don't even take any of them anymore really, unless I need to for some reason. So if you're just starting keto, maybe give it a shot, but I don't think you need it to continue on. And I think that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'd be happy to answer them, or anything else.